Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can find your Facebook account by phone number. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, you're going to open up your Facebook app. And then at the bottom, you'll need to go to the menu section. And then at the top, click on the gear to go to Settings. And here at the top, you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, here you'll need to go to your information and permission. Next, you need to find your contacts to upload. Select your Facebook account. And at this point, all you need to do is make sure that Upload Contacts, you have this feature activated. If you don't have it activated, then you'll need to enable it. And that's it. And then, in order to find some people or a Facebook account by phone number, for example, you'll need to go to Friends. A little bit of loading, scroll down a little bit, where you'll find a section called People You Might Know. And then you just have to scroll down. In order to find a particular person, because this section, it's based on completely different interests of yours. For example, it tracks Meta accounts, and they can show you here people by phone number that you have in your cell phone book that you may know, and you can find people by phone number this way. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please put your likes, don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.